Hey guys, welcome to another property update for Saturday the 15th of September. Let's start by having a quick look at last Saturday's auction clearance rate. Last Saturday's clearance rate rose to 64%, which was a rise from 60% from the week before, but it is still down from 74% at this same time last year. This week we have listed 5 new homes for sale, and these homes are in the preparation stage and will be hitting the market in the coming weeks. If you want to have a first look at any of these new properties, you can contact anyone from O'Brien Real Estate. Now to this Saturday's open for inspection times. It's 11 to 11:30 a.m. Hitting the market again is the beautiful 21 Tintageway Mornington, set in one of Mornington's highest points with rural views and 4 great living areas. From 11:30 to 12, you will have the opportunity to view 3840 Verdon Street, Dromana. At 12 to 12:30, you can come and view 22 Settlers Way, Mount Martha, which will be open for inspection. 1 to 1:30, we have 75A Barclay Street, Mornington, which is a 1-year-old townhouse fully fitted with an elevator and rooftop balcony. At 1 to 1:30, we are heading over to a character-filled home in the lovely Frankston Township at 39 Stanley Street. From 1:30 to 2 o'clock, we are staying in Frankston for the open house at 41 Stanley Street. This home is in a great location and a great first home or investment property. From 2 to 2:30, you can view 5 Rodney Court, the home located right on Fishies Beach with Lilo Cafe at its doorstep. Now let's have a quick look at this week's off-market properties. I look forward to seeing you out and about at this weekend's open for inspection. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.